In a world where the building blocks of life are made up of elements that come together to produce plants through photosynthesis. We all know photosynthesis reactants are carbon dioxide and water, and the products are glucose and oxygen. But do we know that photosynthesis is truly made of simple elements? Carbon dioxide is carbon and oxygen, water is hydrogen and oxygen, glucose is, well, you know the drill. Hey, where am I supposed to be in this process?
I'm part of carbon dioxide.
And we create water.
Yeah. I thought I was part of the building blocks of life.
I'm about to turn you into liquid nitrogen, punk.
We are part of the plant gland, punk.
Yeah.
Watching every motion in my foolish lover's game. On this endless ocean, finally lovers know.
Why am I here? I'm the one that makes up 78.9% of the Earth's atmosphere, and I can help plants by forming nitrates to fuel the world. I'm fertilizer for plants to become strong like the Hulk.
Watching in slow motion as you turn around and say, take my breath.
Is he okay? Is he alright?
What the heck?
What the dickens? What?
Hey, y'all create the plants, but I feed them.
So?
I'm my own cycle, for God's sakes. I am part of y'all. I am an element y'all need.
Well, maybe you are an element we can't live without.
I was kidding when I said I was gonna turn you into liquid nitrogen.
I'm part of carbon dioxide. Go back! I didn't say go. Okay, go.
My name is Matthew Craig. I am an associate professor in biology at Amarillo College. Building blocks because they're used at such a high percentage of within an organism, living organism, including plants. They're at such a high level, such a large percentage. You know, most of the so much of the plant or an animal is made of carbon, water, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Nitrogen, of course, is essential for DNA and amino acids. And so those are between that they make they're components of the major organic molecules found in plants and animals. Mm-hmm. Well, nitrogen is not so much related to photosynthesis other than in the proteins that it's found, of course, in the proteins that allow photosynthesis to occur. But of course, photosynthesis is primarily taking carbon dioxide, the carbon from carbon dioxide, and the H and the O2 from water, combining those into sugars like glucose, C6H12O6, and release of oxygen. Okay. So that's nitrogen is not too important in photosynthesis other than as elements of proteins that allow photosynthesis to occur. But of course, carbon and water make carbohydrates, and they are able uniquely to take sunlight energy, break the bonds between a carbon and the O2 and CO2, recombine those into bonds that make sugars and give the energy of life to the planet.
Alright. Randomly in there.
Old lady feeds hunger.